Hello guys, my name is David and today we're going to talk about interfaces in Java. So what is an interface? Interface is a type of class which is a collection of nested which is a collection of abstract methods. So these methods are given in the class. For example, here we see interface accountable with three methods. All these three are abstract methods. So what these are actually telling us is the class accountable has three functions, three methods which can be used by another class which implements this class accountable, which has to have which can have these same method names. So here we have savings account as one of the class which implements accountable, and now these functions deposit, withdraw, and balance inquiry can be used to get the deposit amount, withdrawal, or balance inquiry amounts. So here we first get the input from the user using arguments given here, and they are this we use public savings account as a constructor here. So then we go to deposit, where we deposit the amount and given a fixed rate and the time depending upon the user to calculate the interest. So balance becomes balance plus interest, and then we display it. Then according to the user we withdraw his money, then we subtract it from the balance. And here what it is actually stating it is, if the withdrawal amount is greater than the balance, then the user cannot withdraw because the amount is unavailable. So that is what is mentioned here, insufficient amount to withdraw. And here finally we have balance inquiry, where the user can find out how much amount is remaining in his account. And another scenario here is current account, which also implements accountable, but here we won't be calculating the interest. So what happens here is we only get in the amount, he deposits, he withdraws, and then he can either check his balance inquiry. So we use all the so we call then we create an object in the main class. So first we find out whether he wants a current account or savings account. Then in case one we have current account, and we give the user then we give the user current account object, which is created here, and then we given the name, id, and balance in these parameters so that it is given to its constructor. And then using a do while loop, we get in the deposit, withdraw, balance amount if he wants to go through the functions again. And then in case 2 we have the savings account in a similar manner. So now once we run the program, suppose I go for current account, name is David, and my ID is 12, and the amount I want to enter, then the amount here would be 1000. Now if I that's my initial deposit amount, and if I want to deposit another 1000 rupees, the total will be 2000. Now if I continue, if I want to withdraw, I withdraw 500 and I get it as 1500. Now if I do not want to continue, so that is the end of program. And now if I do the same for savings account, in savings account I'm supposed to give the time parameter input also. So here I give David 12, amount as 1000 bucks, and I give time as 5 years maybe. And if I deposit another 1000 rupees, I get the amount as 2500. 1000 plus 1000 is 200, and after that I calculate the interest for 5 years with 5% interest. So now it is equal to 2000 into 5 into 5 divided by 100. So I get 500 as interest, and then I add 500 back to the amount I already have, and the amount available for me is 2500. And once I withdraw the amount, for example I withdraw around 300 bucks, so the amount available to me is 2200. and now if I want to check the balance, it will be the same, 2200. So that's all for the sorry that's all for the interface application. That these are the interface applications in Java. Basically, overall interface is defined as a collection of abstract methods. That's all in Java, and thank you for the interface.